me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are doing a collective haul. We went shopping, so if you guys want to see what I got, let's go. Okay, so if you guys saw the video of me doing my updated makeup routine, you know I was struggling in that video. I was not having a good day whatsoever, and then a couple hours later I got my period. And when I tell you, that has certainly been my worst cycle this year. And it's funny because at this point I have now had a period for at least half of, actually no, I've had a period longer at this point than I've lived without a period. And you would think you have it every single month for so many years in a row that you know what's coming. You know what you're going to experience. You know how hard. No, it is something different every other month. 1 month you're cramping more than the next month. 1 month, you have cravings, and then you don't. You think you're going insane every month, and it's just like, bruh. That one was definitely the worst that I had in a good little minute. I'm talking it wasn't even, I was irritated at that point. Everything was enraging me. So I was talking to my friends. They were like, you need to get outside. You touched a little grass, and somehow it ended up into shopping. And I promise you, I felt much better. Deadass. As soon as I picked up the first clothing item, I felt much better. So, sometimes retail therapy does help. So let me tell you all the things that I bought to make myself feel better. First up was from Old Navy. I have not shopped Old Navy. I'm 32. I want to say I have not shopped Old Navy since back to school when I was in high school. So we're talking at least 15 years ago. Mind you, nothing wrong with Old Navy. When y'all be having conversations about everything is polyester now, everything is, Old Navy actually does use good quality materials to make their clothing. I am not much of a in-store shopping kind of person. Maybe I need to go back because, again, look how it made me feel. But they collaborated with Christopher John Rogers, and I said absolutely positively. As soon as I found out about the collaboration, I said absolutely positively. Whatever they released, I will be purchasing. Then I saw the stuff they released, and I went ahead and I made those purchases. So if you do not know who Christopher John Rogers is, he is a Black designer. These are some of his pieces, and y'all know, if you are not new to me, you know the way I like to dress, then you should know this is right up my alley. I love color. I love print. I love clothing that you can just play with. You can play with the silhouette. Again, you can play with the design, stuff like that. But baby, Christopher John Rogers is not cheap. And you know what? Love that for him. So even more reason why I go ahead and jump on this collaboration. So the first thing I got was this. And if you've heard about the collection that you've seen, this piece I feel like it was the most popular one. I want to say this was the first thing that I saw sell out. This polka dot skirt, it's so cute. I'm gonna do a video, a short form video trying everything on, so you can see how it looks. I'm not sure if that'll be by the time I upload this so that I can insert some of those clips, but I will be doing a actual try on of the clothing. This skirt just screams spring, it screams summer, and again, it's just flowy and fun. The polka dots, they are, oh no, I was gonna say they're brown, but they're brownish black for something else I'm gonna show you in this haul. I just feel like pieced together, everything is going to make sense. There was also a matching top that I got with it, and when you see the two together, actually a matching top, the skirt, and a matching head wrap. Now, love me a good head wrap. These are not going to be the head wraps that I use to go to bed and whatnot, but if you want to, you could, but this is a I'm going outside type head wrap. Now imagine this head wrap with the matching outfit. Again, screaming spring, summer, just screaming very chic and effortlessly chic at that. This also feels like very nice material. These very nice material. What's the wash on this? Okay, machine wash. I was wondering about the color and possibly running off, but I'll keep you updated on that. I got the same exact skirt, but a different print. Now, this is the skirt. Was there I think there is a matching top that goes with this, but I did not get that. I actually got the matching head wrap, because not only could you wear the head wrap out to brunch, whatnot, you could wear it to bed, but you can also, I love a good head wrap as a top. This is how they had it tied when I saw it, and I said, does that not scream like European summer? Like, ooh, did I get makeup on that? Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. No, I didn't. Okay. Right. Okay. Um, when I saw those two together, like, to me, it just screamed European summer. This is giving very, the first time I go to Paris, Italy, Greece, whatever it is in their form of summer weather, just got to break this out somewhere, something like that. This is not like, I mean, you could do Atlanta brunch in this, but this is very I'm on a trip type outfit. So, and again, same quality, feels like really good material. And the last thing that I got from the collaboration is this top. This color, look at this color against my skin. Look at this color. It is a long sleeve top. I got this, and oh, I didn't tell any of the sizing for this. My bad. I'll have the sizing for the other stuff up on the screen. But this is a size small. And then there's this little keyhole in the back that just zhuzhes it up a bit. And again, like, it's effortless with his designs in general. Like, you can add an extra oomph to your outfit without having to do too much. And this is going to be perfect for fall weather. So cannot wait to wear this. Okay, so moving on, I went to Zara. Now, this is how much I will think about things that I purchase. Renaissance was like, what, 3 years ago, 2023. I saw Aaliyah's face where, if I can find the picture, I'll insert it here, but she wore these like sparkly jeans to Renaissance, right? And ever since I saw the jeans, I was like, absolutely positively need a pair of jeans like that. And there were these jeans from Mars, the label that I'll have pop up here, that it kind of went with what I was going for, but I didn't like the wash of the jeans, so I didn't get them. So I'm in Zara, I'm walking, I see these jeans. Can you see that? Can you see? Hold on. I see these jeans and I'm like, you're coming home with me. Absolutely, positively. I did post a little short so you can see what these look like on. It's only the bedazzled, it's only sparkly on the one side, on the back side it's not, but on the back side it's got this little like cut under your butt, and not like you can actually see cheek or anything like that. It's just a little slit there. I absolutely love these. Now, I did have to size up just so it wasn't as tight in the crotch area. You know when jeans do that? Yeah. So I did have to size up. So I'm gonna have to get these taken in at the waist, but most jeans that I purchase have to get taken in at the waist. But this is real like concert, dinner, where you're just trying to have a moment. I'm thinking a pointy toe shoe sticking out of this, maybe a little crop top, but this is going to see outside. Oh, I just need to get it tailored, get it fixed, and then this is going to see outside. Now, before I show you the next jeans, if you have heard me talking about jeans recently, then you know last year I decluttered pretty much every pair of jeans that I own. I have had some since high school. Yes, the fact that I can still fit into jeans that I wore in high school, conversation for another day. But I basically decluttered all of them because I just wanted to start fresh. I wanted better quality jeans. And something I told myself is I wanted jeans with less like distress. So don't say too much when I show you the next pair of jeans. But I was looking for a straight leg jean. Straight. I want a flare, no bootleg, no, what are they calling it? Barrel, balloon. No, nothing. I wanted a straight leg jean. So I purchased this pair from Good American. I don't know if I think I do have the jeans actually on, so I will insert it into the clip. I saw these jeans on Nikki O, which, mind you, if you do not follow her, absolutely positively go ahead and do that. If you are a tall girly and you are looking for tall girl fashion inspo, that's even more reason for you to go ahead and follow her. But just in general, if you like fashion, definitely go ahead and check her out. She has the pieces. I definitely be adding stuff to the wish list after I see her do her hauls and whatnot. So she posted in these jeans and I said, absolutely positively need that. I clicked the link. It takes me to the page and it says that they're not in stock. When I tell you, I have continued to go back to see if they were in stock, and it's not in stock on the site, right? So I'm like, okay, like maybe they've discontinued the jeans or something like that. So we are at Lenox and we walk into the store and I see the jeans and I'm like, is that? I know that's not what I think it is, but it is. It was in fact these jeans. These are their good 90s relaxed jeans. inseam 32, and I got a size 26. So it has the little distress at the knees, but you know what? We're just gonna have to roll with it at this point. I waited too long to get these jeans to not get them once I finally see them in person. However, they did tell me in the store that they are discontinuing the jeans. That's probably why I couldn't get it online. So if you want the jeans, now is the time to get the jeans. But these have that more relaxed fit, so I could get the waist taken in a little bit if I wanted to wear them higher up. But if you want to wear them more low rise and just let them kind of sit on your hips, these thankfully are a pair of jeans I will not have to worry about getting taken in at the waist. It's also not my first pair of good American jeans, and the other one I have are good quality jeans. So like I said, we decluttered so we can bring some better jeans into our collection. Okay, and the last thing that I have is from Steve Madden. There's always a little story with everything that I have to show you, but again, that's like how intentional I am with the shopping that I'm trying to do. I went into Steve Madden because I was looking for these shoes. I am a heel girly. I'm not a flat girly, and I'm learning I'm really not a sneaker girly either. When I went to St. Martin, I got like, you know, cheap little $5 sandals and whatnot. Absolutely positively regret that. Where are they? I don't know where they are, but if I find them in time, I will show you. When I tell you, they actually kind of look like Oran dupes, you know, from Hermes. When I put my foot in, y'all know when, and it's usually like men, when men put slides on and then their foot slides to the very front of the shoe and they be walking around like that, like all 5 toes just at the actually beyond where the slide actually starts. That's what my foot did the entire time we were on vacation. I said, you know what, absolutely, positively not. I need to go ahead and get good quality sandals. I actually was looking at the Oran sandals. However, the last time I looked at them, they were like $600, and I think now they're like $800. Especially because I heard that they're not comfortable sandals. Coach has these sandals. They're very popular right now. I was actually thinking of like maybe a matching pair for me and my mom. You know, Mother's Day is coming. Oh, she watches my videos. Maybe I should have said that. Oh well. But those are sandals that I was considering. So if you know like good sandals, let me know, because occasions will come where I will need a flatter shoe and I can't just keep doing the last minute like $10 purchase and then regretting that $10 purchase. But I walked into Steve Madden for those heels. They did not have the heels, so I was just walking around the store looking at some shoes. I did post a video on that. There were these shoes, which if you don't know, those are a Christian Louboutin dupe. And funny enough, you see both of them on my foot. Very cute shoes, right? Tell me why only one foot fit. Like, yes, both of my feet are in the shoe, but when I tell you my left foot, excruciating pain. Like, I literally had to shove that in there and just, you know, see it through to get that little clip. But like, it was just that one foot. And the thing is, the other foot fit fine, right? I know sometimes like people have like one foot that's a little bigger than the other one. If I had sized up, then it would have been too big for both feet. Like, I did size up. I went up to the bigger size and now it was too big, like it was too loose on my foot. So that was very weird because like I don't think I've ever had that happen to me where like it was just my feet were not going for it. Maybe that was a sign to just go ahead and get the Christians. But this is one of the shoes that I actually did end up walking away with. And here's the thing. I'm not a wedge girly. At this point, like, girl, what are you? You're not a sneaker girly, you're not a flats girly, you're not a wedge girly. I typically do not like wedges. However, it's more so like these type of wedges. I don't like these type of wedges, but these are some cute wedges that I've seen before that I would purchase, right? So I saw these, and see, this is what I was talking about with the polka dot outfit from Christopher John, because there is a little black in the skirt. So I do have to go to dinner soon. I was thinking of wearing that outfit. So I was thinking, you see my vision here? I was thinking that outfit, these shoes. Again, yes, still a wedge, but it's, to me, this is like a sandal. It's like wearing flats in my head. And it's just a simple black thong sandal wedge. Can wear this casually, dress it up a little bit. This could also peep out a little bit from the jeans. Again, if you're just trying to be effortlessly chic. And they were real comfortable. Now, here's the thing with thong type shoes, this part usually like will kill that split between your big toe and the rest of your toes. This did not hurt, and probably because like this is a suede type material, this did not hurt. So absolutely love that. Oh, this part is also suede. So that was another big reason why I was like, you know what, just go ahead and throw this in the bag. But I can't wait. Like this also gives very summer shoe. And you know, I'm just running out this summer, throw these on, go over my day. All right, y'all, so that is it for my collective haul. You see how even just filming this video, talking to you about the stuff that I purchased has put me in a better mood. The shopping just does that to you. So everything that I talked about, if I can link it, will be linked in the description down below. Sizing should all be updated either in the description or on screen. And yeah, let me know if you like those kind of videos. You know, I feel like that's also a place where I could talk more about the fashion items that I buy and whatnot, because I actually really do like clothes. Like I didn't purchase too many clothes last year, but this year I see things that I would like to purchase. So let me know if you want more video. I'm just trying to make sure I didn't forget anything. Let me know if you would like more videos like this. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.